Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Angular icons and specifically how to use MynaUI icons in your Angular packages and your Angular apps. So we just added MynaUI icons to this Angular icon package, and this gives us an easy way to use MynaUI icons in your Angular apps. So I'm pretty new to Angular, so let's create a new Angular app and see how to use this. So I'm creating in this bolt.new IDE. So let's just scaffold a new Angular app. So yeah, if you don't know, this ng icons package is like the Angular icons package. It has all the Angular icons, over 72,000 icons, and if you want to change your icon pack to something else quickly, you can just do this. You can install the specific icon package and the core one and the specific icon package, and you can go wild. Now we have ng icon / MynaUI, so we're going to use that in our packages. And yeah, this has lots of customizable options like size, color, even stroke width. You can customize it, so it's very easy to use. So I'll be using that over here. So the scaffolder, so let's install something. So maybe let's go to getting started here, and I'll copy this, go to bolt.new and install MynaUI. So this installs the ng icons core and the ng icons MynaUI package. Perfect, it's installed. Okay, so let's go back to the icons, copy something. Maybe I'll copy this and come over here, and let's tell Bolt to add the icon for us. Add icon from at ng icon / MynaUI / outline. Let's see if this works. Okay, that's working. Okay, I think that's perfect. Yeah, it's added. So let me just remove this, and maybe I'll change the icon size to 128. Let's see if that works. Perfect. Okay, that looks good. So here we can now change icon color also. So let's just change it to red, and let's add something else also. Maybe something like this. Let's go to bolt.new. Let's just tell the chat to add it. Add icon. Let's see if this works. For some reason it's adding in a new thing. That won't work. Yeah, perfect. Let's see here. Okay, so yeah, both icons are added. Now we can also change the stroke width if you want. So stroke width, now it should be 1.5. let's change it to 2.5. let's see how that works. So you can see the stroke width has changed. So let's just change the stroke width of this Twitch icon also. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, you can change stroke width, you can change the size, you can change colors, everything you want. It's easy. So this ng icon tag, you can just go and change however you want. So it's very easy to use in Angular. So yeah, I recommend this package, and I recommend using MynaUI icons inside it. MynaUI icons has both solid and outline variants. So yeah, you can just go and use it. And if you want to more if you want to just see more icons, everything here, you can go to mynaui.com/icons over here, and if you want to request icons, you can just click this button and request any icon that you want. And this also has like some AI search things going on. So for trash icon, so you can just search delete even with the spelling mistake for trash icon. So Algolia provides some good AI recommendations. So go and try it, and yeah, let me know how ng icons works for you. That's it for today. Bye bye.